Hello, my friends. Does the refreshing taste of watermelon make you feel enchanted? Get ready for an amazing journey to the wonderful world of modern watermelon cultivation and harvesting machinery. Today, let's explore the fresh landscapes and uncover the secrets behind the watermelon production process. Did you know that plastic mulching is a highly effective technique in agriculture? This process begins with soil preparation, removing unwanted debris like grass, rocks, or foreign objects. Once the soil is ready, the plastic mulch is laid over the prepared beds. Plastic mulching serves several purposes in watermelon cultivation. Firstly, it helps maintain soil moisture by reducing evaporation, ensuring the watermelon plants receive sufficient water. This is particularly crucial in hot and arid climates. Amidst the lush green landscape of Foxley Farm, a modern wonder has emerged, transforming watermelon growing. Meet the ingenious Green Harvester DH, a smart solution streamlining farming operations, saving time, labor, and promoting sustainable practices. The innovative machine effortlessly drills planting holes at precise intervals, ensuring optimal spacing for seedlings. Additionally, it supplies the required water, fostering an ideal environment for their flourishing growth. Modern watermelon planting machines are equipped with advanced technology and integrated smart systems, optimizing the planting process. Their precision and customization capabilities ensure that watermelon plants are evenly spaced, providing the ideal conditions for growth. On average, watermelons can be harvested approximately 70 to 100 days after planting. The Argil's harvesting machines, with a working width of up to 17.5 meters, represent a significant advancement in agriculture and revolutionize the watermelon harvesting process. The machine's wide working width allows it to harvest a large quantity of watermelons in each pass, saving time and labor for farmers. It can automatically determine positions and adjust harvesting widths, maximizing land utilization and ensuring precise and efficient harvesting of each watermelon. The golden time for harvesting watermelons is very brief, and manual harvesting requires extensive labor and fatigue. However, thanks to advancements in technology, modern watermelon harvesting machines have transformed production methods. California is one of the leading states in the United States for watermelon cultivation and harvesting. Harvesting season typically occurs in the summer months. This task often requires a large labor force, as watermelons need to be harvested quickly and carefully packaged to ensure quality. Watermelons undergo thorough inspection and grading based on size and quality before being packaged to standard. Quality and food safety are maintained from farm to consumer, ensuring that watermelons reach consumers fresh and meeting high-quality standards. The Sir Mag product line for processing watermelons, mini watermelons and cantaloupes offer a new advanced solution. Its new calibrator is equipped with a weight sensor system for cantaloupes, round mini watermelons and elongated large watermelons, providing a significant added value. Thanks to the weight sensor system, precise calibration of cantaloupes and watermelons can be achieved, ensuring high-quality products. This is a comprehensive and reliable choice for fruit producers, combining innovation, simplicity, flexibility, and quality assurance in a single advanced solution. Here is the K-Machine's watermelon sorting machine. This machine uses modern technology to sort watermelons based on size, shape, and color. With continuous operation capability and high efficiency, the machine helps optimize productivity and reduce waste. Have you ever heard of the renowned reputation of Novatec SA? It's a leading company specializing in the design and manufacturing of watermelon cleaning, sorting, and packaging production lines. Novatec SA's watermelon cleaning, sorting, and packaging lines are equipped with advanced technology and automated systems, optimizing the processing process. The company's intelligent sorting technology allows for the identification of the size, shape, and quality of each watermelon, arranging them according to standardized standards. This is a modern and convenient solution for the agricultural industry, ensuring quality and meeting increasingly high market demands.